we will make it fifth, 5. So select it and home, make here heading 5, and the 12th page we will make the heading 4. This one, F4. Now click on update table, entire table, and if you change the page for any heading, so you need to update number, like heading 3 is on page number 3, and if you want to make heading 3 in 4 number, like here, so now heading 3 in 4 number, and table of content shows heading 3 in 3 number. So click on it and click on update table. Now update page number, so select update page number only, then click on OK. So heading 3 now in the 4 number. In custom, you will see some more option, like in custom table of content, so show page number and hide page number. So uncheck if you want to hide page number, then click on OK. Replace this table of content, click on yes. So now this table of content has no page number. Right align page number. If you want to right align page number, so check, and if you want to hide, so uncheck. So now it's knows this align number. Only heading and page number you will see here. You can change align page number like dots, dash and line. Replace it. That's it. General format, from template you can select classic, so it will look like this. Another one, style, fancy, so it's a fancy table of content. Modern, formal and simple. Here are the options. So in options, style, like heading 1 you can give this type, heading 2 you can give your own style. For label, table of content label, table entry field if you need, then click on OK. So these all options are about table of content. Now in this box table of contents, you can update table and you can add text. Include the current heading in the table of content. Click on add text in level 1, level 2, level 3. So you can add some text in the table of content, and also we can update this table of content only page number or entire table of content. So we have the two options in here. Footnotes. Insert a footnote. Add a note at the bottom of the page providing more information about something in your document. So as we can see in some books there are footnote. So click on it. So you will see this line, and here you can write about like for reference or some explanation or some meaning in footnote. So first footnote, like test 01. So it's the first footnote. Also you can add footnote more, so it will be 2. As much as you need, you can add. Update automatically and stop automatically capitalizing first letter of sentence. So if you want to use small, so we can use it. So here we can see this footnote option. When you will see, like you will click here, remember, and you want to give any footnote for this word, so click on footnote. We will give the another example from fresh. Firstly, remove this one. This is not a valid action for footnote. So to remove this footnote, we need to click on review and in here select no mark. So it's not way to delete footnote. Yes, so we need to delete on that particular letter where we add footnote. Like here is the 2. So move cursor there and press backspace. Delete. Also this 11 number, we have the footnote. So we need to find out that in this document. So like this, friends, we can add a footnote in this MS Word document. Very simple and very easy. Firstly, select the word and click on insert footnote. because we have the first one, so it shows directly second number. Like this. And to remove, select that and delete if it's not work, so you need to manually, so click on that note footnote side, it means very small superscript, so delete it.